I feel like it's Saturday morning and these fabrics are just perfect for right now. They're light, they're all cottons and linens, they're all wovens, they're just beautiful, and they're beautiful for now. And they're all $14.99 today and tomorrow. $14.99 for the 2 days. There's a hot pink, 100% cotton, great drape, no see-through, just beautiful, beautiful. Just so pretty. And look at this, to go with 100% cotton. It's a great little diamond pattern. Can you imagine a lightweight shirt? Just easy, comfortable. Again, even a pair of pants would be adorable. Got this white that goes in with it, and you know what I pick about white? I pick to where you can't see through it so that you can do a nice pair of white slacks. Cool, again, comfortable. There's 100% linen. It's beautiful. Again, 100% linen. The white of the stripe matches the white of that fabric. The drape is amazing. These are so pretty. $14.99, what a deal. There's a brown if you want to go darker in the bottom. 100% linen on this, again woven. These are all just woven fabrics. And then I put a new print with that because you can see a pant and a shirt. So all you got to do is just get it done. Just fun fabrics, linens and cottons, all $14.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.